Hi, my name is Mela Kocher, and I work at the Zurich University of the Arts for already 10 years. At the ZHDK, I wear two hats. For one thing, I am project lead at the Center for E-Learning for Ludic Didactics, which is, in short, applying concepts of play and games to learning scenarios and learning spaces. Besides working at the Center for E-Learning, I'm employed at the Game Design specialization in the Master's Education, where I help students shape their master's projects.
Here at ZHDK I want to learn. Also, I'm not a student, because I like the idea that I constantly and steadily develop myself through my work. I do this here by looking closely and discovering new things, which can happen either in the classroom or in the corridors of the Toni Areal. I ask myself what makes digital so digital and how can this inspire me. This is Charlotte Axelsson, and I'd like to learn in our talk more about Mela's thought.
Changing time, shaping world is triggering me because I believe in agency. I myself am most engaged and most motivated when I have the feeling to be capable of action. Today, we have the knowledge, health, time and ability to change and to shape, and we should. And yes, you can do so with games. Why games, you might ask? Games motivate. They are engaging, give you a clear frame, a rule set. Games are ideal as learning spaces because they incorporate feedback, challenges, goals, rewards, empowerment, informal settings, and joy. If designed right, playful learning scenarios ease the user into learning and designing processes. And I'm not talking about handing out points and badges, which might be fun though. But actually, many people just connect this with the concept of gamification. I talk about designing engaging interactive scenarios, and that is what we're developing and deepening with our concept of ludic didactics, and what can be captured with a model we call FEW.
Stands for Play Hybrid Easy Walk. We call it the superpower because this constructive attitude or method can develop a strong motivating force. In various application and workshop, e-learning tries to explore the FEW concept.
So, what am I pleading for in change-making processes? I plead for you to be open, interactive, curious, knowledgeable, and ready for action.
Students can learn, try out, and test with us. It is in engaging and listening to a world full of possibilities. Let's go FEW yourself.